We're here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania at the 2018 International Microwave Symposium, where this year's focus is on RF technology in medicine and telecommunications that improve our everyday lives. All microwave systems depend on high-performance interconnectivity, which is here on display at our CDM booth. We're showcasing various formats of RF connectors, adapters, premium coaxial cable, and the accessories to protect your investment. We're also demonstrating CDM signal storm and safer specialty jumper cables, and why premium jumper cables don't need to blow budget. And that's all for now here at IMS 2018. Thanks for visiting CDM Electronics at booth 1259.